Imagine transforming your normal bedroom into a mini studio that is capable of producing videos like they were made in a professional setting. Well, it's possible. Today, we are diving into the world of DIY video lighting. So get ready to evaluate your video game without breaking the bank. Even if you have just started the YouTube channel and wanna make professional looking videos, then you are on the right channel. Here I am on the seamless side. Make sure to watch the complete video till the end. Let's begin. Good lighting is the cornerstone of your professional looking videos. It can dramatically enhance your content, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Today I am going to show you how you can create stunning visuals at your home with just using simple materials. And the first thing we are going to use here is a sunboard sheet. You can even use cardboard, you can use wood, you can use PVC sheets, you can use any hard craftable material. So we will start by making the base. Cut the pieces according to your need and join them in such a way as shown in the video. After completing one, make same identical box for the second light. And if you look at our channel, we have already made 2 to 3 videos on studio lights, and they were pretty capable of making your videos look good and increase their quality. And they were pretty portable and worked on 12 volt. But the light we are gonna make today is 100 watt each. So you can just assume the power of the light and how much it can increase the quality of the cameras. Now we will start working on the upper part of the base, and here are again some pieces which need to be precisely cut because the light is gonna be adjustable and the measurement of the pieces should be perfect. So just join everything up as shown in the video. So after completing the mid part of the base, we will start working on the lower part of the base. So start by taking the upper part of the lower base and make a few markings in the center to make a cutout from where we can pass through the electricity wires and fix the mid part over it. Now we will start working on the main light box, and the box will be a cube, so cut the pieces according to it. Make sure to keep it bigger and spacious because the light that we are using here is actually powerful and produces a lot of heat. And the LED panel we are using for this light is a 100 watt SMD LED, which is pretty powerful as compared to its size. Now for covering the front part of the light, I am using a fiber sheet which will help us diffuse the light and give it a sturdy look at the same time. And here is the final light box, and the making process of the other light will be the same. Now take two pieces of sunboard sheet and fit them on the top of the upper base using a nut and a bolt. Now take the main light box and connect its power wire to the wires coming out of the base and make the joint stronger using a soldering iron and an electric tape. And lastly, connect the light box to the base. Now the making process of one light is completed and the light is here in front of you. But if you want it 2 times, then you have to make it 2 times, which means one light will work on 100 watt and same for the other will work on 100 watt too. And they both will give you the power of a 200 watt light at the same time. Now it's your choice that you want it or not, cause even one light is powerful enough to increase the quality of your video from 10 to 90. What kind of comparison was this? Anyways, now if you noticed a bit, then the whole video was made in these two lights that we just built, and both the lights are here in front of my face. Even if I cover one light, you can see the quality difference right there, and here it is again. So the comparison is in front of you. So if I show you a bit more clear comparison, then this is the light that I have been using before and it works pretty fine. If on the same camera settings I switch to the lights that we have made today, then this is what it looks like. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel for more seamless content. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care everyone and bye bye.